How to join a voice call on Discord. Want to chat live with your friends? Here's how to join a voice call on Discord in seconds. Open Discord and go to the server where the voice channel is located. You'll see voice channels listed with a little speaker icon. Click on any available one and you are in. You'll see your name pop up in the voice area and your mic will activate if permissions are set. To leave, just click the red disconnect icon at the bottom. If you can't hear anyone, check your input and output device in voice settings under user settings. Which one do you use more, voice or text? Let me know in the comments below. And that's all. It's that easy to hop into a voice call on Discord. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.